morning. Because you remember last stream?
We were too loud.
We
The
were
little
too
one
loud.
woke up. So good morning, Z. Good morning, Codarson. Good morning, Timmy. And good morning, Dr. Javasaurus.
Hey, thank you guys for showing up and hope you're doing well this morning. Thank you, Z, for 13 months subscribed. It's more than a year. That's crazy.
Thank you so much for subscribing.
If
so
you
that
know
means...
what means, yeah.
Winky's already on the ball.
Shh, everybody whisper. And hi, peoples. Amazing today. Best day so far in 2021. Whoa. Well, is it today that you're getting your tattoo? If I remember correctly, we've been chatting about it over in Snuti land for those who don't know. But it'd be exciting.
So what would you guys say?
Thank you so much for subscribing for so many months and giving us so many treats. We're so thankful. Thank you.
Did I get them to actually look at the camera? I'm not sure.
Close enough. Close enough.
Close enough.
Yeah.
Thank you. So how is everybody this morning?
Getting the tattoo today and then getting to stay with the girlfriend until Friday. Okay, I can understand that this is the best day.
Very nice.
You don't think I ever heard those dogs bark. Such lovely dogs. That is true.
We actually have heard Winky bark, I think, maybe twice since we adopted her
3 times, I
years
think.
ago. Three times?
And we had it for 3 years.
Yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, she's a very quiet little doggo.
Yeah.
She doesn't like to bark, and Morris used to bark a lot, but we trained him to stop barking. So
Yeah. He also used to be like really aggressive of other dogs, but he
Yeah.
doesn't do that anymore. So we've worked hard with those doggies.
yes, I mean he's perfectly fine with Winky sleeping on top of him in wintertime. And Winky, what are you up to? Winky?
They have no reason to bark. Well, yeah, that's also a good point. But also when they're out on trip every day.
Yeah.
And everybody stops us like, wow, your dogs are really well behaved, aren't they?
I'm like,
And people on the street just like tell that to us all the time.
Yeah.
So I guess it has something to it.
then we have loads of other people walking their dogs, and they don't know how to walk their dogs.
Mm.
You know.
That happens. That happens. Yeah. So
Should we flip over to which one is it? Is
number 3.
number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3.
That's the wrong transition. Let me just check that again. Fade. Nope.
No.
Oh, okay. The stinger is gone.
Oh well.
Oh well.
And hello,
Mr. Metagix.
Mr. Metagix.
Hey, welcome to the City Stream. Welcome. If for your first time here, we are currently working on a ice cream boat game.
Yeah.
A game about collecting ingredients, crafting ice creams, and selling it to the people of this vast archipelago world, inspired by
This vast.
this vast, yeah. Very
See if
much
you've
in
got cover
prototype phase and early development, but
Very development. Yes.
much development.
Much. And yeah, there's some. What is going on
I
over here?
forgot to remove the characters out of the houses.
Do we have a laggy keyboard today? No, we do not. We have a very happy keyboard today.
Hey, that helps.
So this is our little best friend, and yes, we finished doing this little dude. It's very much
Hey, he
not
looks
finished,
cute.
but he looks cute at least.
Very development, much prototype, indeed. Yeah, we still need a timeout corner for Dan. Hey! I didn't know. Oh, the OMG
Clinic.
Clinic. All right.
We said it right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just known as OMG on Discord. I just didn't recognize the username. I love Moosey.
I love him all the
Dan is not here, so I can't give him a timeout, you know. So
Oh.
I bet Dan is busy snoozing.
I mean, what happened with this dude? Hello.
Mm.
So yeah. So we have been putting together some quick prefabs round about adding buildings, which as you might have noticed, I think they're from Quaternius actually. These are from Quaternius.
Much polygons.
Much polygons. And we were a bit like, didn't quite comprehend why the door is kind of tiny and the windows are quite far up.
What's up with that, like the door window ratio positioning here? I was like, how can these characters walk through that door and still see the window after they walk inside the house? And then we did some research on American country houses. I was like, they generally have the windows a bit like that. In Norway, we do not do that.
No.
We were like looking up housing research architecture stuff. And I was like, Americans are strange for putting their windows so far up in the wall. At least some houses do that.
Well, why am I not? Oh, I'm in the sea.
But I
that's
didn't
why.
find an example which was this extreme.
So let's just maximize that one.
It looks so different from last time I tuned in. Looks great.
Why
The
wouldn't it?
trees are aesthetically pleasing. I really don't know why. Well,
Let me just.
okay. All the graphics except that moose is not ours.
Very much. Well,
Sadly.
no, that
Well,
one.
the sailboat.
The sailboat is
Yeah.
ours. I like the fact that the sailboat.
I really wish we could take credit for the trees, but they are from Lucian. Lucian's. He using them in his game in Unreal.
Yeah, I think so. Just a
That's
moose copter.
That's a moose copter.
That's a moose copter right
That's
there.
a moose
There's a moose
copter.
copter at stream. Hello.
I see you ready to take off.
There's so many moose ghosts on that island. Yeah, there is. We haven't updated the texture. We just decided to just leave it.
Where's Dan? Yeah, where's Dan when we need it? The moose copter to take off. And for those who don't know, you can see the moose copter in the Snuti Land fan art channel.
Yes.
Actually, I can open it up here.
Come join for nice conversation about game dev and all types of
Because today the laptop is working. It's here.
and Grandma Agda.
Dan took and animated this to make the moose fly off. And added some nice wave effects to this as well.
And then we also had, Grandma Agda, just fan art from Fryer. Yeah, so we thought it was a bit strange. It's like, yeah, we
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
put any colliders, but you can see the problem here. It's like, how is this supposed to fit in?
See, like everyone was asking for Dan this morning.
Yeah, Dan, where are you?
He's snoozing. He was busy doing math last night, apparently.
Is this Grandma Agda? She's hovering.
Oh, that's
is it her?
hovering grandma.
She's not at her house. Her house is over.
Her house is also hovering. And so is our rocks.
We love this.
He's probably battling parabolas. I
Um,
love spinny mooses. Makes me very, very happy. An Oculus Quest underway. We also have an Oculus Quest. I mean,
It's not.
it's here in the apartment.
It's here. It's
It's,
arrived for Christmas.
yes.
Whispering. Because somebody went in the chat.
I hope no, I think our audio is
I forgot to
okay
tweet.
quality.
I think I forgot to tweet. Oops. I love that. I had a pending tweet and I forgot to tweet.
I'm secretly very hyped. That it should be. We're really happy with our quest.
We are really happy with our quest.
Even if I'm mostly just beat sabering on it.
I saw you were talking about the quest in game until I realised you were talking about the quest.
Oh,
Okay, let's go move Grandma Agda. Hava Agda.
I can't talk about it at home because our oldest son wants one and he will claim it if he sees it. So how are you gonna hide it from him any longer than
What
it
about
arrives?
if he's watching the stream?
Ooh, that could happen.
Didn't think about that.
Mm.
Maybe secretly he's a Snuti fan.
Of course, it's still poor typing, but from my experience from games, I would limit text, but otherwise it looks great. And I mean, text, I mean UI, all right. Yeah, we have not designed our UI.
No, I haven't.
It's, we told Z, we like how it's done in Genshin Impact. And he's just like, gone and yoink,
Yoink.
taken, like, steal like an artist from it. In inspiration. And we're gonna go about designing our own one.
Yes. We just haven't got around to it yet.
Like everything else in the game.
Pretty much everything else. Well, Grandma Agda, she's correct, right? She doesn't. She's missing her hat. We need to have her hat on her.
Yeah, I wonder how she's gonna get through that door though.
Well, yeah.
Should we like when we design the houses actually have doors that are like takes accounted for the antler size?
Probably should.
So it's like a T-shaped door.
Get stuff working. Step one, get stuff working, and then worry about the rest later.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's how it
Pretty
goes.
much. But it's very important for me to design that hat for Grandma Agda. Very important.
And
Good
good
morning,
morning,
Friar.
Friar. Nice to have you here. Hope you had a lovely morning so far. I know you were up way before us. I saw you saying good morning in the Discord like you.
I said
Obviously.
good morning second.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. I love this path we
Good.
made.
Good. Proud of you.
So the Grandma Agda's still missing her hat, Fryer. I'm sorry, but she's standing here, right here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna design her that hat, aren't we?
We are designing her with that hat.
Yeah.
That is going to happen because
she probably-
it's totally a grandma hat.
What about her hair? She can't have the main character's hair.
No, she can't.
No, so we need to figure out the different
We do
hairstyle.
need to.
Maybe some
I don't see
curly
it.
stuff.
Oh, no. She can just have the hat. She'll be bold.
Or that.
Create, then iterate. Exactly.
Mhm.
What about, why are we going to Tom?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, so we were actually, we've done our first quest, and I've been writing a second quest, but it's a pretty shoddy. And hello, random.
Yeah, so our goal for today is to implement second quest.
Second quest.
Yes,
Implement
before we have
second
iterated
quest.
on more moose copters than quest 1. I understand the challenges of the moose copter. Are they in water? Or are they on land? Or are they in the nether region of the shore? Maybe they need a shore state, so they're sure about which way they're going.
Oh god, no.
You
Krista
hear-
has now started to do puns on stream.
Well, you heard it first here, see. This
Yeah.
I found a solution for it.
Your delivery will arrive between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. today. That's a large window. So basically, we need to stream between 10 to 1.
That might be challenging for us.
Yeah, definitely. She doesn't look right. She's missing the sharp teeth and the big belly. Yep, we're gonna have to get back to that prior. Next stream, you're gonna have it.
See, working as intended. Spent a long time on Moosecopter. Yes.
Actually, that's a small window for Belgium. Oh, do they normally have it where it's like from 10 a.m. until like 9 p.m. and
That's how we have it here. Usually.
That's how we have it here.
Like all day.
But normally it's fine if it's like with like DHL because they ring you up beforehand.
Mm-hmm.
But if you go with the Boston, they don't ring you, so you don't know.
It's like you're out with the dogs for 5 minutes and the package came
Yeah, exactly.
in the like 9-hour window.
And you know, admittedly, we have some really nice neighbors, so normally they look out for any packages we get. But still, it's a bit like, can you just ring me, please?
I already know one mission: flying on a Moosecopter across the skies.
Doing that.
Dudding ice cream. Nah,
Did an ice cream.
I don't know
Did
what
an ice
that word means, but you're doing that.
Deliver an ice cream. We should have that. You know, we were thinking about having a hot air balloon. Maybe we should just have a moose balloon.
Yeah, Moose Balloon.
Balloon. Usually, literally say between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Yeah. On Saturdays, it's a bit different.
So, one thing I noticed on our quest plan, Claire. What's up? Oh, let me see.
What C just said.
Place 4 them in the boat. Quadcopter ice cream bar. No. That'd be funny. Late game boat upgrade. Yeah.
Yes. So this is the broken boat.
Okay, we have the broken boat. And that's fine. But I'm thinking, in the quest we have detailed out here, which
Let's
is
find those.
here.
Yep.
We have step number 1, take boat out
into
in the
water.
water.
See, so one of the things I was thinking about is there was going to be a cutscene before that.
Okay.
But what I'm thinking is that we can probably just like maybe shortcut it and move that boat over there, which is actually the boat, over here, and we'll just use that instead.
That might be a good idea.
So if I can have
We
control.
kind of need to fix up the... Yeah.
So we're just going to move this one. This one. Did I get the entire boat?
Nope.
Yeah, that is the entire boat.
Ah, right, you did.
It's the entire boat.
I like we have a boats prefab and then...
And a boats.
But
So
we
we're just
don't.
gonna...
But it doesn't have the sailboat.
There it is. I'm just going to be like, yeah, you know what? Yoink.
Okay. So there's a cutscene between, and then it like magically transforms.
Yeah, well, obviously, like, we have to make the cutscene part. I just haven't done that yet. So, you know, we're still in the prototype phase. We're going to have to take some shortcuts. You know, if you'd hang wet clothes on the moose captor's antlers, you'll have outdoor air dry.
Oh, now we're talking. See, we need to think about the logic of this world. How people go about doing their laundry, as well as like doing their mathematical equations. Are they counting antler knobbles or use that?
I don't even want to know.
So the Moose Quadrone. You planning on making it like Odyssey, where there are a lot of different islands, or just one for now? No,
There's
we're
going to be
planning
lots of different islands.
lots of different islands, and this is just the starting island. And I'm wondering even if for a starting island that is maybe okay size, but it's
I mean, there's a few buildings a bit in the ground, but we'll let it pass.
But yeah, it's basically a bunch of islands.
You could also make the game COVID friendly, so you can place orders and a moose quadcopter and drone delivers it. Well, as long as the ice cream is, you know, not going to fall over, that's all fine, you know. We don't want to have any spoiled ice cream.
Exactly, important.
And good morning, John Hamilton.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good day to you. Welcome to Snuti Stream. Good to have you here.
And Timmy,
Maths.
I'm struggling with maths right now.
What math are you doing to me?
We have some maths expert in the chat, I think. Do
do
we?
we?
Do we? I'm not sure, do we?
You guys, I trust you.
We trust you. So the idea behind the world database is to categorize the world for AI, a very simple start for having a database to query for information.
Yeah, I agree with that. That seems like a good idea. But you want to implement that world database right now, Claire? No. Okay, we have the boat.
Got some information. So
We have a baby which is starting to wake up. And we've been live for how many minutes? 17. Off to a strong start. Maybe
I think Carlin is, following what, Code Artisan is doing. It's like, nah, I would love to stick around, but I gotta get ready. So
yeah. Hey, have a good one. And
have a really nice day.
have good luck with your tattoo today. That's going to be pretty legendary.
Yes.
Okay, step 2. Have a little chat with the boat.
Yeah.
You'll... Okay.
You have ice cream, not ice cream, toothpaste on your cheek.
Really? Where?
That's right there.
Oh, at least I brushed my teeth. Should I lull the baby?
Yes, you should lull the baby. So, need to account for distance, target velocity, and projectile velocity. I'm going to safely admit that that went over my head. I'm not good at math. Does anybody else in the chat know how to account for distance, target velocity, and projectile velocity and help me out? This is why I do programming, so I don't have to do all of the maths by myself. Carlin, you started dev without me? Pretty much. Hey. Yeah.
We just turn off the main cam. And they can dev with us.
Yeah. But then people will miss seeing our funky expression. They'll just see the doggos instead.
Well, that's okay. We doggo can dev.
I'll share on Discord when done. We need a piggy versus moosey cutscene, and then they'll become friends. Oh, well, we have a best friend. We don't know what character he's going to be yet. We decided who the character of the best friend is going to be. You said he wanted a rabbit.
I was suggesting bunny.
Christian was suggesting a bunny.
Because I want to race you. Type character.
So I'm taking the forward vector and multiplying it by the scalar value. It's sort of working. Sure, you add them up. As a father of 2 girls, and hello, designer and geek. I can't help but notice you don't follow the good advice of sleeping while the baby is sleeping. No, because our little one, he sleeps throughout the night. So we don't actually need to sleep whilst he sleeps. Oh, there you go. Now he's happy. Should we turn off the main camera then?
Yeah, let's do that.
Well, we're going to turn... How do I do that again?
You can just actually switch it off.
Yeah, okay. I can actually turn it off. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the cam so Carlin can dev with us because he actually does enjoy it. So we're going to do that. And then you're just going to have the doggos where the button is. I don't know what the button is again. Where is...
Turn it.
Yeah, where is the button? Oh my gosh, I can't find the button is again.
Not the button, it's the switch.
Is it that one?
You turn it around.
Oh, I think I did it. It's now sensor clinging. It says no signal. There you go. I was just...
Help my shoulder.
Yes.
I have a white shoulder.
There's a white shoulder.
Okay, let's get to business, guys.
There you go. You have a white shoulder. Oh, that's nice. Oh, she broke it. Yeah, I broke it. I just use Google when I have a maths problem. that normally helps. Sometimes. But not always.
It wasn't that good back in our days.
No. You know what we need? We need a placeholder image of us in the corner.
Oh, that'd be good.
We should do that.
Yeah.
So, Carlin, what do you think we should be doing in the game then? He has nothing. He actually really does enjoy doing dev with us. He does it every morning. So that's probably why he's upset that we're doing dev without him. What is Krister adding?
I'm adding in a placeholder. Like, seriously.
So if you shoot an arrow on a train, you have the velocity of the train plus the initial velocity of the arrow. And then you continuously add the arrow's acceleration minus the drag to the velocity. And the gravity, of course. Oh yeah, okay. No, I did it, okay. Count yourselves blessed. Thank you, designer and geek.
Yeah, we have been very
We've been
happy
very-
and
yeah.
so lucky. Which first? We go with this
I like
photo?
that one. That one's
Yeah?
a good photo. I like that
Okay.
one. There you
Hey, here we
go.
go.
Is this a big photo of us right now?
Yeah, well, I'm
We're
working on it. I'm in OBS trying to like snap this around. Here, see here? Nobody's gonna notice.
And thank you for the follow. The oh my god clinic. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Can I just go to oh my god?
Yes.
OMG. OMG. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Yay, outdoor stream.
Nailed it. Right.
Yeah.
Do I remember correctly? Designer Geek. Wasn't that like chatting with them on Instagram or something? Or my memory is not functioning correctly. Were you from Norway or Scandinavia?
Were you from Norway, designer and geek?
I think I remember something. Yeah, my memory is a bit fuzzy. So, been around before. Okay.
So
where do we get?
we were just having a look
Yes,
at
Designer Geek, Norway. See? I
Yes.
remember.
Yes. I love how I'm pointing at the camera and the camera isn't on. You're just gonna have to imagine me constantly, being happy with the whatever, smiling. Permanent smile right now. Just imagine me there. My first name is and my last initial starts with a G. Okay.
Can we just call you Om?
Om.
We might not be pronouncing it correctly because
No,
it's not
don't know.
very familiar name for us.
First of all, I am going to have a look at. I think we're gonna put a handler thingy on it. I'm not sure.
Web there from Nordfjord, but living in Oslo. Hey,
Ooh.
that's awesome. Yes, we're doing lots of web there, but you probably know that. So it's good business.
Yeah.
Let's get this moose party going, shall we?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out speaker manager. Yeah, okay. Player. And the dialogue.
Are you now trying to add dialogue to the boat?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure out, because I didn't do it the other day.
Yeah, so we can steal Grandma Agda's dialogue system, right?
Yeah, no, I just need to put the speaker on, and I can put the selectable display name. But I don't think I need to do that on the boat.
I wonder if it's best to put, like, rather than have it or the boat's gonna be talking a lot of different scenarios in the game, isn't it?
NPC. Yeah, I'm just gonna put those on quickly.
Let's hope it works out.
Speaker.
You got it! One of the first people to do so. Or I don't remember what we said now. Mr. Omg.
I think these are the ones I need.
Project looking good. Thank you, Esther.
Thank you.
Welcome to Snuti Stream this morning. We are outdoors in the wilds with our red backpack on and enjoying a good morning. Can't you see us waving and animating?
This is because Carlin decided that he wanted to be with on doing
Yes.
game development this morning, because he's been joining us the last few mornings and he really, really enjoys it. And he's just got a big bit of saliva that just came down.
That's
You know,
fine.
it's
I got
fine,
my
it's fine.
clutage. I don't know how to say it in English.
Are you reading the chat here?
Yes.
Okay, that's good, because I'm going to come over here. Where is the yarn file? Hello, yarn. Where is it? Hello, yarn. Hello.
Oh no, box of Lego fell over. Disaster. Dad needs to
No.
fix it. Good luck, Javasaurus.
It's gonna.
Good luck. I'm looking forward to us getting to play with Lego too.
Oh, we have a big box of Lego.
Yes.
We really want to use it.
And I want to buy more.
I want to buy more.
Okay, so
Dad
this
needs
is
to
going to
fix
be maybe
What's
start
the
with
boat?
which quest is this about?
This
Quest?
is for the yeah it's true. It's the crafting quest. I'll just put crafting.
Quest,
Crafting.
crafting, and then this is the boat character, is it?
Yeah, but then I can just I guess it's a boat one. So show it at the beginning.
No, at the end.
At the end. Why do you want it at the end? Okay.
Because then we get everything alphabetically sorted by which quest is related to, so we can edit dialogue related to a quest.
We'll do that. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. No idea what I'm doing. I'll just do that. I'm gonna get rid of that before it starts having hissy fit at me.
Rename Auntie to Boaty.
Boaty. We'll call it Boaty. Should we go Boaty?
That's probably a bad idea,
I
but
think I'm
yeah.
gonna call it Boat because I called it Boat everywhere else.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna get rid of all these. Here you go.
My kids play Roblox. Oh, me and Claire have been playing that too, haven't we? Isn't that the game we've been playing? No, we played a different one.
No, we played different.
And my daughter's grandma got this Code Kingdoms family subscription for Christmas. So we started tinkering with it. And it makes it very approachable to get started with 3D game coding. That is awesome.
Ooh, that sounds
That
really
is
cool.
a lot of fun. Huh? Maybe one day you'll be building with that as well, Carlin. In the meantime, you'll be learning Unity from us.
Unity. Where's the yarns here? Isn't it? Was it up here? Where? Oh, there you go. Game data. Because I need to go in here. Go into the yarn main. There you go. Add another one. Why is it not here?
Hmm?
Yeah, there it is. Wait a second.
Oh, you need to hook them up, do you?
Yep, I do. Apply. There you go.
So Z has made this really cool quest and dialogue system. Because we were not happy with any other one. So we rolled our own. And we find it quite alright to work with. I mean, it's not like really optimized the workflow yet, but at least it's functioning.
We don't have a camera for the boat. Do we have a camera for the boat?
I don't think you need a camera. Do you need a camera? I don't think you
No,
need
you
one.
need a camera for if it's like going to be looking at the boat.
That might be
So-
a good idea. But then you can just make a camera and throw in.
Yeah. I just sort of.
Or maybe don't they have a camera if you open the boat up?
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I'm like, yeah.
Oh, this is target.
Is it a target? It's not a camera one. I'm just gonna see.
Steal Agda's camera.
Yeah, so I'm gonna steal Agda's. Yo, Agda, give me a camera.
I removed the boat cam. Yeah, see, it's just a boat target now. So,
Where is the camera?
but just add CM virtual cam. You can do that if you go to Claire
Yeah.
to Cinemachine on the top menu.
See, well, I need to go back to probably the boat first. There you go. Should I
Cinemachine.
open up the prefab for this?
You can click open prefab. Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Cinemachine.
Cinemachine. Create virtual camera. Let's do that.
But what's bothering me a little bit is that we are now cluttering the player boat object with something related to a quest.
Yeah, but it's
Almost
gonna
feel
have
like-
a camera.
I almost feel like we should have like a separate instance of the boat just related for this quest or something, which is not functioning. Like, I don't know. It's just like feels wrong. But we can do it like this for now, and then we can think about how we should have it cleaned up in the future.
That's what I think.
Do you use Cinemachine for cutscenes? Yes, we do, except we don't have any cutscenes.
Don't have
But we
any right
do
now.
have dialogues which are moving cameras around. So I guess that counts. That's cutscene. You don't need to have it on the boat, but it's probably don't mess up. Yeah. So as he's suggesting, let's
Don't
delete
mess
that.
up the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's just
Oops. Let's go back. Sorry.
my finger's been eaten.
Sorry. Okay, so we don't need to have it on the prefab. Where do you have them all?
They are probably there are children usually off the character and stuff like that.
Oh, we've got one which is called VC Boat.
This doesn't show the nesting.
Oh, does it not?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh well.
But you can just add it in. Oh yeah, see cameras.
There's cameras.
Oh, there is a.
There is a boat one.
Have he disabled that? Okay, let's make a new one
And
in
this
here
is
then.
also disabled.
There.
These get enabled and enabled, disabled and enabled, and probably.
Oh, do they?
I would assume so.
That's the old boat camera. Yeah, what
Ah,
about all
okay.
the other one then?
And
We should have Z on stream and we'll do much better.
that was all boat cam.
Yeah.
I can probably just duplicate this one. I'll just be like, CM boat.
Boat crafting cutscene or something.
We're doing it all wrong.
The
We're
old
doing it
ones
all
are
wrong.
for the NPCs for dialogues. Yeah, okay, so it is correct.
Yeah, so I'll probably like, move this one over here somewhere. Oh my!
You grabbed it by the undo that by the local axis and just sent it into the.
Sent it into the void.
You still grabbed it by the local axis.
Okay, right, I'll do it from the global one then.
Wow.
There you go. Now surely I've got it.
Yeah.
Almost.
And I think you'll get a preview of it if you enable it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Doesn't it
No,
do that?
no, I don't think it does. It normally pops up here. I think if you press solo,
Then we need to get the game view maybe.
I think so. Why don't you have the game view down here? I'm gonna put the game view here.
Yeah.
Solo. That's what it looks like.
It has a wobble to it. Oh, that's fascinating.
Pretty fascinating wobble. I like the wobble.
Okay.
And let's just put it down. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay.
Hey, okay, that's actually a good angle.
That's a good angle. We
Yeah.
like this angle. We like this
We
angle.
can turn it a bit,
Turn it around a bit.
maybe make it a bit more wide angle.
Oh,
Does
okay,
not
there you
want to turn around apparently.
go. bit more wide angle. Okay. Where is the thing? Is the lens? Field of view.
Field of view like 55. There we go.
There you go.
Nice.
Okay, so let's disable that now. Turn off solo. Go back onto the Botu. Botu, hello Botu.
Z, are you cringing by how we're working on this?
Probably it's cringing. Probably it's cringing. There you go. There you go. We've got this. I don't know whether this will actually work. I think I missed a few things, but we'll just try it anyway.
Roblox is sort of a crowdsourced game framework. Oh yeah, that's what it is. I just mixing it up with something else, where anyone can make and publish games in the Roblox system and make and share assets, etc. There's also a system for monetization where players can buy and spend Roblox on features.
Ooh.
And developers get the cut of the money spent. Yeah, that's like to exploit the children. No, I think that sounds like a really neat system.
That's super neat. And oh man, I'm not able. Is this a Star Collider? Oh, whoa! What are you doing, camera? There you go. Hello, hello. There you go. Well,
That did I go?
what on earth happened?
Oh, yeah. Well. So this is what I was talking about. Messing around with making the boat something you can talk to might be a bit challenging.
Well, I was thinking more about the speak button together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
That's
at least the buoyancy is working.
Just
I'm not sure exactly that's how water works. Without any friction, I guess it does.
it's probably because the talk button is the same as the mount button.
Close enough, close enough. Thank you, Z. Yeah, so talk and, but yeah. Which means that at that point in time, you know, it shouldn't be possible to mount the boat. It should be just, or maybe you mount it
you
and,
mount it, but maybe
and then it talks to you.
Or there's some like maybe on the boat there's something which you can talk to. Oh man, okay, we're gonna have to think this through.
Z, what do you think? How should we go about it? Because we're gonna have the boat talkable many times throughout the game, aren't we?
I wanted to mention this, maybe make the UI text scale based on the screen size, but I'm not sure maybe you don't want to do that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where we will.
Yeah, I think
We'll do this
accessibility and screen sizes are very
Very
important. Right now, not paid any attention to it.
No, we just like put it in it. But that's what we do with like the scripts and everything, so, like, with scale based on your device.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we didn't do a very good job. Is that what you're trying to say, Carden?
Yeah, it's on this
Yeah.
way. That's 1% how water works. Moose goes brrr in the air because of boat.
Yeah.
Water properties, jump pad.
Yep.
You can just use the scene view to get a good angle, then game object, align with view.
Yeah.
Thank you for the pro tip, but that's not what I'm trying to solve right now.
Z's like, no. Yeah, so the thing is, it's also as well with like the mapping of the keys as well.
Yeah. But I would imagine that if there is a dialogue option, it will take higher priority. Right?
Yeah, but what if you need to be on the boat for anything to happen?
I don't know. What does the dialogue look like? It's like, hey, we are now out. It's like an auto talk, maybe.
Well, I just said hello. How are you both? For the time being.
Good. That's a good start.
So yeah. Where did you go, Unity? Unity, hello. Probably it's because it has a boat mount handle. We can probably disable it for a moment and see what happens.
Drag. I only know buoyancy, and buoyancy go wee. Wee. Yeah, very, very happy baby.
Oh, he loves wheeze at the moment.
He's like,
So yesterday he started crying, and I just went.
and he was
And
smiling.
he was smiling and stopped crying. So if anybody wants to know how to calm a baby when they're crying, just get Claire's wheeze from resale and play them on loop, and it works. As for being able to talk to the boat, since boat mounting and start as both the same interaction, maybe have a different keybind for the mount and the boat. Or like you say, dialogues could take priority. So I'm just gonna... Oh my goodness.
And the thing is that the player shouldn't have a choice, right? Because we want an intended behavior, right?
But
Like we don't want the player to just drive off with the boat.
as a player, I want choices.
And I, as a game developer, want to direct the player to make the right choices. I'm gonna give you the illusion of choice. The one-button game with the illusion of choice.
Really? Wow. Is that like cookie cutter game?
Yes. Apparently, our intern disagrees about this statement.
Yeah. Yeah, you disagree? You
How
want
do you
more
guys
of these?
learn shader graph? By playing around with it. Like, I don't know. I didn't watch many tutorials for it. Or few. But we have a really good tutorial about it. So,
Yeah, we do,
you
we
can just
do.
head on over to our YouTube channel and check out our Toon Shader tutorial.
Well, to be honest, Krista, you did have like a bit of experience with like shaders-ish.
Yes.
So, yeah. I didn't. I still find it super confusing. So I tend to use Krista's tutorials most of the time to be like, oh, that's how things worked again.
It's kind of just like math, and you just like 0 is black and 1 is white, and everything in between is colors. You just need RGB.
RGB.
That's kind of how it goes.
The AI is now destroying me, hitting me every time. No. I wish Unity had a built-in AI system, like Unreal.
We now have milk on the desk.
This is common. Oh yeah, I did check that out. That was a very cool tutorial. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, I don't have any better tips, but there are good tutorials on it, so I think that's the better way
No,
to go.
but wasn't. Oh, who is has some good tutorials? Oh, who is it? Oh, I can't seem to get it. My head just ain't working right now.
Nope.
Where do I change the key bindings?
Key bindings?
Yeah, so we can change this to the mount.
Oh, I wouldn't want 2 different keys on it. Why would you want 2 different keys? Would you want the player to go up to the boat and be like, I'm not going to talk with you, so I'm going to mount you instead, and just like drive off and not do the conversation? Like,
I guess so.
yeah,
I guess
I think that if the boat has something to say, that is the priority interaction.
Then we need to change that then.
Well, we need to basically have more important interaction, or set conversation to always go first above other things.
That is true.
So like, let's say you have a crafting station, and you can interact with the crafting station, but the crafting station has a dialogue on it because you're gonna talk about something and to do something. Then
Yeah.
you can the dialogue will always have highest priority of for an interaction on an object.
That's true. That's
How
true.
is that gonna work out, Z?
Look at Morris. He knows how to enjoy his Saturday mornings.
Yeah.
Come here, come here. Yeah.
We're switching controller. Oh, Z, that will be a quick fix. Can we just pull in your changes and they will be all good? 'Cause what have we done so far? We've added in these 2 here. Yeah, and that's fine.
But I think I'm missing something, but I'm not sure because I obviously, can't actually get the dialogue to come up.
Timmy says that my turret lead is hitting me every time now because I haven't set up with different projectile velocities. Well, it's good that your game's gonna have combat and gonna be challenging, but you should probably fix the difficulty a little bit. Stop before the AI is about to shoot, and start moving again after it shoots. Pro tip.
Maybe not on screen.
Maybe not on stream. Okay, maybe not on stream. Okay, but anyway, we can still map out what we want to do here.
Yes,
Hello, my dears.
that's what we're doing. If you have a look at the wherever it was, the quest crafting,
Which is
I don't know, it's not open for some reason.
this
Double
one.
click it, yeah. So that one's got a bit of it, and it also has like the steps and everything.
Yeah.
So
Have a little chat with the boat. You'll reach trigger area while have someone waving. Oh, maybe the dialogue is like not on the boat, but like in a radius of the boat. So when you walk close to it, but it doesn't matter.
that we could do. We could also do it as well. That is more like of a, was it called a bark?
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
gonna be hard to get in frame, and if it's important.
No, but it's more important that, for example, like if you get to like the trigger, then we have it. The boat starts like talking, but you can interact with the boat. It's a bit like it. I find one thing I thought was a bit odd is that if, for example, you're driving and there's some conversation going on,
Yeah.
then how how you're able to, does the boat stop?
Hmm.
Or, can you click the options, or should we have it you don't have the options, or yeah.
I think you just have to continue talking while you're driving, yeah. Bit like we did in Mr. Pips as well, where some dialogue can continue while you're in movement. We
Yeah.
called it the monologues.
Yeah.
But so what we could do here is like have a trigger collider around this area, so when you walk close to it, then this is going to start happening.
Yeah. You could do that. That might be a good idea.
Yeah, instead of having it here.
Yeah.
Should I
True, that would work, except the ships take a long time to slow down.
what are we talking
My
about?
pro gamer moves won't work. Prior always trying to hack the world. What games do you guys play during your free time?
Ooh, a lot of
different games.
different games. We're playing some World of Warcraft right now. We're playing some Genshin Impact. We're playing some bit of everything. Move a lot between different games. Play some single player games in co-op mode, even though they're not intended for co-op.
Yes. Yeah, we often do that actually. But we play like quite a lot. We play a lot of indie games as well in our spare time.
I'm talking about today. We have Glitchin on the agenda,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna chat about that later.
Yeah, because they're gonna be publishing the link at 10.
10 o'clock.
So, yeah.
Okay, in 25 minutes, apparently, Glitchin demo is coming out, and we're gonna chat about it.
Now he's doing the I'm gonna fall asleep sound.
Mm.
So you might be able to go in the bit.
That might be good.
It needs a bit more time.
Some pretty chill dogs, I gotta say.
What does everybody else on the stream like to
Yeah, what are you guys' favorite games
Love
at the
to
moment?
play.
Oh, I really enjoyed my time in Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and I still haven't finished it.
Yeah, Chris is really slow at finishing games.
Oh.
I tend to be that type of person who like finishes the games I play, and Chris is the one who just like plays 50 games and doesn't finish any of them.
I do finish eventually.
Eventually, it normally takes a long time.
I wonder if we should have an empty here called like Quest or something?
Yeah, we can
Or
do.
is that supposed to be in the world DB? Z? Is that what the intention here is? Like,
Can do. And good morning, Polly Insecure and Frozen Well. How are you both doing? I'm doing research for Genshin Impact to Z.
well, that's exactly what we're doing as well.
Yeah, we're totally doing that. That is the only game that works really, really well on mobile. Has been very, very handy whilst Carlin has needed to be fed in the middle of the night, and it keeps us awake. So
Yeah. And when we go to bed at 9 o'clock in the evening, we can play something in bed.
we might be, adventure rank 41. Just saying. But
Wait a minute.
firstly, I've been playing a lot of. Is that Crunker? What is that game? I haven't heard of that one. Have you eaten
I've
my
not
hair?
heard about Crunker, no.
You're not supposed to eat my hair, Carlin. World database is basically just a lookup table for AI finding locations and interactables in the world. Don't need to worry about it.
Okay, so I shouldn't be placing it in there. Anyway, what I want to do here is have a sphere collider.
Frozen Well had a Rust addiction a few weeks back. Ooh.
And do something like this.
Oh, Crunker.io is a browser-based FPS. Wasn't that what was spoken about in the stream last time as well?
Think so, yeah.
Wasn't that where you could do like programming or something with it? I thought it was.
See, it was. No, it's not that one.
It's not that
was a different name.
Was it a different one? Okay.
But if we could do something like that, wouldn't that be a good idea?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
Right? For these things, like if we want to have an interactable thing which is not supposedly, or which already is interactable.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
But obviously we don't have our dialogue trigger programmed in a way that this will work though. But I'll pretend that it's
Probably
working.
not. No. I'm addicted to Rust, the programming language, and Rust the game, says Fully Insecure. No programming yet. Says
See him look player, see him. Should we then have the camera be part of that, shouldn't it?
Yeah, probably should. Now he's decided no snoozing. Just wanted to see the game.
Okay.
You can understand why our little one
Is that a
ends up being
fart?
the little manager.
No, that is baby sounds.
That's the baby sounds. That would be one weird part. Are you 4 months today? I think he's 4 months today. Well, and he enjoys watching us do our game dev in the morning. Instead of snoozing, he should be snoozing, but he's not very good at snoozing. He's teething, so snoozing is not on the agenda. You know, you can just, copy and paste what I've been doing. Oh no, you can't. You're gonna make that. Sorry. You're missing a plank there.
I have no idea what this conversation is going to be about and what it's for. Is it for trying to get the player to craft something?
Yeah, I know what it is the fact you're gonna take the boat out. Yeah.
Mm.
And then what's gonna happen is you're gonna see a person waving.
Oh, so you're going to
And
start
the person
driving?
waving, who's called the randomer, just, important name, they want to have an ice cream because they see it's the ice cream boat. But then you realise you don't have any ice cream and you need to go craft it.
Oh, so like while you're out at sea.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I should have read through this before. Sorry, I haven't had time to sit and read this.
Hey, Claire's been writing and Chris
Claire's
has
written
been
the quest
Yeah.
concept and I haven't read it. So the idea is the fact that you come to the boat, you have a chat with it, you then drive it off, and then you see a person waving, but how will you make sure that the player goes to a place where you see the person waving?
That's why it's gonna be a really, 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 really large trigger area, so you do that.
Like a gigantic trigger, and you just like see like camera
It's like-
zooms in like from miles away, like there's a person waving there.
Well, I was thinking there was gonna be another island nearby with the person waving.
Okay, yeah, we can work.
Because that's
around.
what we have, with the islands, so just haven't written that one, drawn that one in.
So then the randomer says, okay,
You have the ice cream boat, right? I really wanted a strawberry ice cream.
I sure am, but I don't have an ice cream right now.
Then you aren't the ice cream boat if you don't have any ice cream.
Okay, suppose so.
Well, don't come back here until you have some ice cream I can buy.
Oh, hey,
Thank you for the follow.
Macromats is now following. Thank you so much.
Mom says he's very productive. Yes, I know mini manager.
I
is
remember your grandma, Agda, capital A, always read this little book when making ice creams. Maybe it's somewhere around here.
productive. Then you
Okay,
can find the recipe book on the boat,
not on the boat, like in the sea,
No, it's gonna be on the boat.
on the boat.
On the boat. Yeah, we haven't designed the boat yet. Wait. But your contradiction of you are, we're gonna need a bigger boat.
Isn't that supposed to be your
Yeah, it probably is.
is there some mistake?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty rough text. We just written it in a rush and. Yes.
It's Schippermeister 99 from Pixel Magazine. Just forgot to change accounts.
Oh, hello,
hello.
Schnibbelmeister. Good to have you back here. You can see we're very lively and animated today in our little corner. We have our little intern working with us today, so that's what happens.
We wanted to continue streaming, but yeah, he's awake, so yeah.
But we worked on an ice cream boat, so this game is happening.
But we're definitely gonna need a bigger boat.
We're definitely gonna need a bit of boat, and we're gonna need to figure this prototype out.
Just need to improve your grammar.
Oh, that hurts. But
That's my fault, but I'm gonna say it's the mummy brain at the moment.
Okay.
I had to rush write this when I just had an idea in the shower. I had to rush out and yeah.
Christian, take the
write it
baby,
down. Yeah.
run off, collect and write for a little bit. Find the recipe book on the boat.
Yeah.
You found it. That's exactly what it looked like. I don't remember having römme on it though. I'm not sure if that's gonna translate that well.
No, that's the other thing. I didn't. I just sour cream.
Sour cream.
Cream, just for cream.
cream on it
Oh,
though.
that sounds really weird now. Maybe you should have something else. I don't know, like melted ice cream or
Jam?
jam. Jam's a good idea. I like jam.
Not capital J, no. Is there any
Any
strawberry
ice cream recipe in there? Recipe.
Yeah.
I'll take a look. And then you're
Okay,
gonna have
so
to
then you're
open up the
supposed to
recipe.
open up the recipe book. Okay, I get it.
So one thing I really want to do is if anybody on stream has any inspirational crafting games which have a great tutorial of how to craft, please link in the chat right now because I really want to have some more inspiration. I have no idea how to write a crafting tutorial.
When Claire talks, we need to animate her.
And what about Krister?
No, I can be quiet.
Okay. Strawberry jam? You heard Mr. Pip screaming in the distance? Dun, dun, dun.
Good one. Right.
What about it was blueberry jam? We didn't specify which jam it was. Maybe it was apricot jam.
But the way this quest is written is very hard to
Banana jam.
implement.
He wants banana jam.
Very hard to implement.
Yeah, so that's why I was like discussing a little bit about whether we were going to do it a bit differently.
Yeah, I also think like this step is very unnecessary.
But
Because
it also sets up how you're going to go around selling. Like, it seems a bit strange to otherwise try and do ice cream without having.
what about if you meet somebody before the boat who wants an ice cream, just like talking about it?
That could
Like
be a good
so
idea.
maybe on your way down, or you hear all the people talk about it.
Okay, good character name, everybody. Come up with one.
No, that is not how we're going to do it. That's going to end up with something disastrous. We have lots of good character names.
Grandma Actor was great.
Okay, Friar, kudos for that one.
Want to tell us what you're up to today? Maybe you're working on something cool or taking it easy. Say hello and let us know. That was what that little mini intern saying it. Oh man, I have to go now. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Hey,
thank you.
Have a good
Have
night.
a really good day and well,
See you
good
around,
night. Yeah. Bye bye. I had cereal with dried Mr. Pip slices for breakfast today.
That is. Oh no.
We don't have the crying emoji.
No, we don't.
So good use that, yeah. Sleep well.
Night.
Morris is sending all the sleep well vibes today. He's very chill and wanting to be on stream today. What is everybody up to on stream?
What is going to be happening over there though?
I don't know.
The little cheese squish underneath it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Murder of Mr. Pips and the feast on the corpse. No, guys.
What's going on with his leg? He's just has his legs resting on Winky.
It's called Stuck in a
And
Stretch.
And it's stuck in a stretch, yeah. Hold on, doesn't it?
Yep.
My arm is just dying. We decided to just start doing training the other day, and
You feel it in your muscles?
yeah. Our muscles are just not in good shape.
Hey, you need to beat Friar in pull-ups, Claire.
I know. Oh, there you go, now he's unstuck.
Unstuck.
Do you want to just sit in the chair there?
No, I think because otherwise how am I going to type?
Oh.
That's going to be hard. So I think we should type out an alternative approach here for making this a little bit more easy to implement, at least for the prototype.
So yeah, so I agree. We should probably have it that we have a person at the beginning who's just like, yo, I need some ice cream.
Well, it's like so warm, would have been refreshing with ice cream.
Yeah, I'm probably write that down.
But that could be a bark.
That could be a bark, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you think so? Not like, hey, make one.
But why would he be talking to you? Why would you be talking to him and that's something useful to say?
Could have the option. If you want to. Yeah.
But then there wouldn't be a quest step.
Yeah, what's up, Garden?
I think it's a good idea to have that as bark.
Yeah, that could be it.
We don't have barks implemented.
But then I don't feel like you have then
Okay. What does he say?
we tortured ourselves yesterday by watching a show on puppies. So hard to wait.
Oh, you still haven't got your puppy. It's so sad.
You'll get one soon. You'll get one soon, see. Otherwise, for the time being, you can enjoy our little puppies. They're not very puppy-like, but yeah.
Winky is.
Winky is.
Puppy for life. She is.
But I remember when we got her, she was way smaller, and she was like a year and a half old, wasn't she?
Yeah.
1.5 years old. And now she's got a little bit bigger, but that's because her feet are so much. No. She has a strict diet. She does. Because Chihuahuas normally
Of
get
her
that.
28 grams of food a day.
No, I've been up to 30. I think. So she gets a bit of extra, you know, blubber to keep her warm.
Her extra 2 grams.
She actually put on weight when Carlin came about. Yeah, because we didn't walk that much, did we? No. This is a toy over there if you want one.
Yeah.
You want to get Sophia?
Yeah, we can.
Sophia, the baby. Oh. No, he wasn't happy about making sounds today. So you want to have it as a bark. Then I can have a random character. Then let's just get this random character. Agda, we don't want you. What about you? Who are you? You're Bob. Okay, Bob, you can be duplicated. Bob, you come over here. Bob. You can come here. You're gonna be right here. We're gonna call him. What are we gonna call him? Jim?
No.
Jimmy?
He can be called Asbjørn. Okay, well, maybe on the other name. Like, go back to the Notion. You have it open right there.
Notion. There you go.
Or is it her, maybe?
Oh, yeah, we can have a her. I mean,
You can also be called Jens or Henrik. Henrik is a good name.
okay, we'll go Henrik. NPC Henrik. Henrik, you're gonna have an ice cream. You're so lucky. I'm gonna put Henrik. There you go. We're gonna make a new camera for him. No. I'm just gonna duplicate this one and call this one Henrik.
That sounds like a drown, not gonna lie.
A drone.
A drone.
Drone. Yeah. It does actually. We agree. Let's see the solo there. That's a bit the wrong way.
I think his teeth are itching because he's very bitey.
Huh?
His teeth are itching, I think.
Yeah, I think it's his teeth.
Or the teeth that are yet to come.
Should I just have him hovering up in the sky?
Or maybe we should place him on the ground.
Oh,
He's not a moose copter.
he's not a moose copter, but
No,
he's
no.
Henrik the moose copter.
Why, he wasn't just a little bit off the ground.
There you go.
Maybe he is like chilling, like lying down. Yeah? Yeah, like he's sunbathing.
I love how Chris is like, yeah, you know, just make him, you know, lie down. I'm like, okay.
There we go. Just need to put
There
some
you
sleeping or resting animation on them in future.
Oh man, I love when it's this type of game. That was fun. Okay, this is there you go. There you go.
Ah, perfect. You found him passed out. Need ice cream. Need cooling refreshment. Both drink water and sugar. That's how you wake
yes.
Henrik Viben. Viben? Oh, he be Viben.
I'm loving Henrik.
Capital H?
No, this is the speaker name.
Oh, alright. Sorry.
Henrik the
Snoozer.
snoozer. The snoozer. There you go. He is not gonna have a quest on him right yet, so I'm just gonna disable that. He is not gonna be a proper boat builder. He's Henrik the snoozer.
Can I go AFK?
Yeah. Chris is going AFK. Not that anybody notices. Just imagine that Krister is no longer over here. And he's like, what? Claire, stop messing around. So we have him, and then we just need to add in his yarn file. Let's just duplicate this one. We're gonna call. Oh man, it's gonna total bug up. Not gonna do that. No, go away. There you go. Let's just save this one. File save as. Let's just save this one. What's it called? Henrik. There you go. What do we call him? Henrik here. Yeah, we're using yarn. Cuddle. Somebody wants a cuddle. Okay, let me just write Henrik here so we know I can't spell Henrik. Wow, that was bad. Oh my gosh, I cannot type today. That is pretty impressive. Need ice cream. There you go. And I just need to add him in the yarn file. I'm getting there. And then Doggo Snuggles. Henrik, you coming in? There you go. Apply. There you go. I think it probably works. So Doggo Cuddles it is. Let's go over to Doggos. Listen. Chill. Doggo Cuddles. Good old Doggo Snuggles. Oh, hello, Moritz. Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, Winky. You being squished?
Yeah, I'm being squished. I'm totally being squished here. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm totally being squished.
Oh, well, what's trouble, Stu? Yeah. He's a nice back scratch, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You love your Saturday morning streams, huh? Oh yeah, what's the bus time? Bus cuddles. Real nice time. Real enjoying it. Winky, do you feel like you're next to a Winky?
No.
That's Winky. Winky really likes to have snuggles with Moritz because it keeps her nice and cozy and warm. And Moritz just loves his snuggles in general. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, Winky. Oh. Chris is still like AFK. He wanted to be a bodybuilder, but then thought he was a boat builder, so now he's depressed because he can't do what he wants.
You get some good lore in here.
Yeah, so he wanted to be a bodybuilder, but they thought he was a boat builder, so now he's depressed because he can't do what he wants.
That's good. That's good. But who is this about?
This is about Henrik.
Oh, Henrik the boat builder.
You know, we had Bob the boat builder, and then we changed it to Henrik. Oh, more
no.
streams! Oh no, poor Winky! Oh,
Okay, Winky.
it's okay, Winky.
It's fine.
Oh, poor Winky. Oi, Morris is having a sneezing fit this morning. I sneezed, so now I need to leave the bed. Okay, I love how we got. Do we have any colliders on this? No, we don't. Okay. Oh, anyways, you just got Laurie Mipson. I forgot something here. Oh, what errors have we got?
Whoopsie.
If you just go talk to him, he just spurs out Laurie Mipson. You know.
An NPC name.
No name Henrik if we know that. That's where we are.
Or did you not hook it up into the speaker manager, maybe?
No, I just it's uppercase.
Oh.
That's fine.
Got lore string references.
Yeah. There you go. He, you know, when you just talk to him, he just, you know, spurs out, you know, Laura Mipsum. So, combat mode when, it's a cute game. So
We don't have combat planned so far.
yeah, pretty much. Colliders, who needs them? They just get in your way. Exactly. I mean, even Jim doesn't have a collide. Wow, I can just collide for everything. Whee!
I like in Jones' server, we had a response on Discord saying, I am coming from Epic Chat, the official cat lag. I don't know which nickname you have in the chat, I mean on Twitch, but that have you here. I need ice cream! Henriksen said.
Need ice cream. He's still hovering.
An AoE moose copter, is that like an attack ability?
I just like this shot, so I'm just leaving this here. This is gonna be the screenshot for the.
Let's grab a
for the
screenshot.
position. Yeah, let's just grab a screenshot. We like this one.
Tom. Now paste that into Discord and we're all done.
See that later. I'm picturing an AoE mouse copter. Is that what you just, you know, attack Henrik the Snoozer and then he'll wake up and be like, oh, sorry, I'll get back to work now.
Just be shooting ice cream out on everyone, is it?
Pretty much.
Is that your ammunition?
He is lying on the ground. I don't know why he starts hovering.
Well, is
Oh,
that...
maybe it's the camera. There's the camera. Maybe the camera was doing it. Camera, where are you?
No, I think it's more the fact that, you know, there's animation on him.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. I forgot, yeah.
And he just has his idle standing animation.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know what we're doing. He just says I need ice cream, but we don't have a bar feature. So
He will just be
the moment
interactable.
he'll just say need ice cream. And then he needs ice cream.
Maybe your best friend will be like, look over there, there's a person who's passed out from the heat stroke. And you'll be like, then walking over to him, you're like, I need ice cream. No, is that not how the quest is going to go?
No. Maybe. I don't know. Should it? Well, first of all, we have like this tutorial class. I can probably make a new one, just duplicate it. And then we
Duplicate the
can
entire folder, you mean? You're inside the tutorial class
Yes,
folder.
you are right. You're right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't realize that. Let's duplicate that. Oh, 2 notifications. No, I'm just gonna rename this one. Where's the rename button? Rename. Just gonna call it crafting quest. And then I'm probably gonna delete all of these steps in here. Conflict, yeah. I knew you were gonna have a conflict. The request. Delete. Let's just name you as not tutorial quest, but you're gonna do crafting. Crafting quest.
Obviously, all the steps are hooked up wrong.
Yeah, I know. Make an ice cream already. There you go. And I'm gonna just delete these.
Well, that's completion quest text. There you go.
Save Henrik. There you go. This is some awesome, quest names here. I'm gonna rename this one. I didn't rename it. To crafting quest. Because I think we have it that this one does not. Am I not on the broken boat? I'm on the broken boat. Okay. That what was it again? Prerequisite quest needs to be the tutorial quest. What? What was it?
Nothing.
Oh, he's urinating. He's urinating. Okay. The prerequisite quest is the tutorial quest, and then we need to Who should we have it on? Should we have Mr. Henrik to start it, or automatically start it? I'm just gonna have Henrik do it. I think.
Yeah, I was thinking maybe the best friend, but the thing is, that's going to be more complicated as the best friend is like a different place of the world if he's going to start the quest.
No, but he's probably going to be beside here. I just haven't got to that step. Can I cheat again with the quest steps over here? Yeah, not done request. Tutorial quest.
And thank you for
the
following
follower.
Exploiter Twitch. Yeah.
Before start, I like. I'm just gonna. We need to be able to change the stat numbers. That's what. Did I finish my tea? I did. This is a crisis.
I also finished my tea.
Oh no,
Bad
this
day.
is also a crisis. We need to go to the office. Okay, Jim, bye. Aren't you supposed to go over here? Or is it because I full started you?
You force started it, so you
Oh,
didn't
no.
do that stuff.
Well, there you go. Here's the office. Hello. Oh, wow. Oh, this Jim's over there. Jim, you're supposed to be over here. Oh, Jim sucks. Let's go reset. Let's go talk to Jim. Jim, start yourself. Yeah, I think it'll be great. Yeah. That sounds interesting. Let's go. Sure thing. Bye.
Night walking.
I love what he says. I know, right? I know it. This is like, bye. I'm stuck on it now. I know that's what Jim is. I need to move. Can I move?
Can you not for it?
No, I can't continue it.
Oh.
Let's see what the errors there was. Can we just like get rid of those things? What? I mean, maybe I'll clear out and right. Reset. There you go. Morris is gone. Yes, Morris has decided to go onto the carpet instead. He thought that was fun. But Winky's still here. Okay, that's for something else then. Okay. Sounds interesting. Yeah, I know. Why don't we just do it right now? Yeah, sure thing. Just leave me all by myself. Bye. This is how you do game development. Let the best friend do all the hard work whilst you're sitting around doing nothing. I'm not sure. Okay, now that one. Maybe it's because I got something wrong here. I think something got broken in the process. Yeah, I'm pretty sure something did. Maybe I did something wrong. Let me just get rid of. Oh, maybe that's bugging it out. Maybe that's bugging it out. Let me just get rid of these. Because I got that in the crafting quest. Okay, let's try again. Maybe that was what I did. Very good morning. Hello, Dan. Good morning. Today we are outside enjoying ourselves on the static picture because the little intern is awake and enjoying game development with us. Right now he's over on the sofa with Krister, just, doing stuff. Yes, you missed the moose copter, Dan. Oh, yeah, I see, sorry. Oh, there's one over there. No, there's one over there. Oh, yeah, there's one over there. Oh no, he's wandering again. Oh no, why did you stop? No. Maybe he's finding the moose. Is it gonna go? Are you gonna go moose coptering? Go moose coptering. I'm gonna stalk this one. He's totally gonna do it soon, right? No. Oh, damn it. Who's gonna moose? Oh, there's moose copter. There's moose copter. Yay! Moose copter time. Whee! There you go. We're just gonna leave this here. Enjoy moose copter time. We had a moose copter. We had a moose copter.
Is it ready for takeoff?
Almost. He is pretty ready. Oh, there's another one just jumped in, tried to get his sailboat.
Good morning, Dan. Good to have you here. You missed beginning of the stream. We were all requesting you, but we were assuming that you were.
Oh, there's a moose copter next to the boat as well, right over here. Oh no, now he stopped.
He's having some problems with his rotor.
He's trying to hijack
Ah,
the boat. You see.
that's what's happening.
Oh, rigid body force assign attempt for sailboat is not valid. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to reset it. That's what happened. I'll go back and do that. I'm just like, reset. Play. Yeah, Garden. Hello. How you doing?
Do you see actually it tried to apply infinite force?
Yeah.
Like, genuinely, it had infinity in the last force value in the error message.
I need to wake up earlier.
Yes, you hear little baby sounds.
No, okay, something still. What is happening now? Maybe I've got something written down incorrectly in one of the yarn files. Yarn likes to bug things out as well. I at least have done something wrong. Is it maybe because I've done that one? No. Quest data. Do I need to set it into anything else? The quest manager, maybe? But that wouldn't bug that one out, surely. Where's quest manager? Quest. Well, maybe I need to add it in here, but I don't think so.
Yeah, you probably do. Always how I do the
Yeah, but the first quest isn't activating very well. That's the problem I'm having.
Oh, that's what you mean.
Yeah, that one just like lets Jim run off into the distance. And sometimes I know that yarn can sometimes mess things up a little bit, so I'm just wondering if I've done something incorrect on that.
Well, there's the empty text there. If you look back, that might not compile. If you look back, both says
oh,
nothing.
maybe. Okay, I'll just go and change that just in case it's that. Where is it? Oh, did you have it? Okay. Let me just do that. Maybe it doesn't like that. Sometimes the yarn could be fucking. It's 10 past 10 as well.
Alright.
Maybe let's do that. I'll just see if I manage to fix this or not. I probably didn't. And if you think there's a cow in the background, that's the smartest thing.
I'm not a child.
I'm not a child.
I think it's out of water.
No, it's funny. Okay, let's see now. Come on. No.
What's wrong? It's supposed to run off and then you can interact again.
Yeah, but you can't interact again.
Yeah, but I think you have to finish running.
Oh, does he have to finish running? But he did finish running wrong and he didn't do anything. Nope. No, no. No, no.
Path
no.
fail computation. No.
That's just something else. I'm not sure why this happened.
I'm not sure. Usually at this point in time, we just commit our changes and it's like, Z, why is it not working?
I just wonder if there's something I've done incorrectly on it because I've been messing around. What have we changed? Wow, lots of stuff. Okay. Oh, wait a second. What is that at the end?
That means there's no new line
Oh, yeah.
at the end of the file.
That's weird. That's a song. Did I add Henrik in here? Yeah, I did. Okay. Baby go like. What's his muffins up to?
He was licking the floor, so I was telling him off. No floor
Not good,
licking
not
for a
good,
little,
not good.
little Karen.
Yeah, because the other day it was quite a disaster.
He likes to eat Claire's hairs. And his intestine does not like hair.
Don't have long hair if you have a dog that likes licking floors. That's a top pro tip there. And let me just reset quest. That's all started. I'm stopping. Yeah. Okay. Debugging is fun.
Seems like our child just has this permanent sound on effect turned on. He's just trying to channel the right energy into completing this quest. Baby go like, wee.
No, I don't know what's happening. It does have an error, but Yarn's a bit weird.
That's a null reference. That might be related.
Yeah, but that's the thing, like, it doesn't tell me where.
Ah,
That's the problem I have.
that makes it hard to debug stuff.
Yeah. But one of the issues I kind of have is the fact that if there's a error in Yarn, it doesn't tell me. I'm like, no!
I guess
Sometimes I find out if I add line tags. But I don't like to do that. Maybe some breakfast. Still struggling?
made some breakfast. Yeah, we're still struggling. And we're also bothered by the fact that these errors, the null reference exception, doesn't show us where the error is.
Yep.
This says that something is not set to an instance. Don't know what. He's complaining about it.
Is it maybe what we did with the boat over here? Did we remove all that?
Yeah, I removed stuff from the boat.
You did? Okay.
Wasn't that supposed to be removed?
Yeah, that was supposed to be removed.
And I moved it over onto... Oh yeah, I placed it onto an empty object. Maybe that's bugging it out.
Where did you put it?
If you scroll up, and I called it quest crafting. Scroll up. There.
There, this one?
Yeah, that one might be breaking things.
Boat.
Just turn this whole thing off
I
then.
think I'm going to turn this off and see if it works. What did you make for breakfast today?
Yeah, did you have Nomi breakfast? We should make some croissants tomorrow, Claire.
We should, yeah.
Sunday is croissant breakfast. And it's too long since we had it.
No, null reference! Oh, I forgot to reset. I do that every time.
When the game starts, you like ask you, do you want to reset quests?
Do you want to reset your quests?
Or do you not want to reset your quests?
Quest will not be reset. Pretty simple breakfast. Can't waste too much time on making food whilst you're streaming.
Oh, you're cute.
Well, if you just get like, you know, the croissants, which take like half an hour in the oven, then you can watch a stream, wait for those to finish cooking, and then you can go get them. And win-win.
And they're fast to make if you just throw chocolate spread on them.
Oh yeah. Because chocolate spread is the best. What's coming up?
Boiled egg and bread with turkey, ham,
stuff.
stuff.
Okay, now it's under no reference then. Okay. And it's to do with yarn. So, is it something related to the file there. But I haven't changed anything there. Have you changed anything in this one, Krister?
No, just look at Git.
Yeah, I mean, you haven't, so...
But was this working before stream started?
Oh, I don't know.
This might have been broken before stream.
So here... I've always dreamed... Goes to that one, and it sets it to true. I'm not sure.
I'm just staying in bed so I don't miss a second.
That's awesome. Let's go, I'll race you. So he does do that, but then it doesn't seem to be disabling the cameras, maybe? Got a best friend here. Did we on the best friend here? Didn't change anything.
Is my little one sleeping?
Semi-snoozing.
Okay.
If you commit it, I can look these.
What should we commit this as?
I'm gonna reset this.
Stream tries to make crafting quest.
Stream tries to make a crafting quest. But it seems to be yarn, so I wonder whether we've messed something up.
Or if it was broken beforehand. Can you check before you pull Z if it was broken already?
So I'm pretty sure I did it the other day and it was fine. But
Yeah, but we have been faffing about.
we've been faffing around.
Sure.
Sure.
I'm super sure.
Supercharge. Ooh, thank you, Stream Elements.
Would you tell us what you're up to today? Maybe you're working on something cool or taking it easy. Say hello and let us know. Are you just staying in bed and having a snooze? That's also cool.
Maybe you're working on something as cool as ice cream. No?
Yes.
What is... That's the thing, like... I wish I could, like, click it, and it would tell me what it is. But
Is there a way we can make that happen?
Oh, I don't know. Create dialogue instance. Continue dialogue. Like, help me debug this? No.
You know, at this rate, you're just gonna call Z and let's put him on this on the stream call.
Kind of looks like the broken yarn file somewhere. That's what I think.
But why
and I
doesn't it tell us where?
It's not telling me where.
If you're gonna have hundreds of yarn files, this is gonna be a problem. I mean,
Sometimes I notice that if, like, I... there you go!
oh, there
you go! Okay, I think I found it.
Line 1.
I found it, I think. Let me just open up the
Oh,
file.
that one is empty.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
If you go back, it's the Lighthouse Bob. One up, there.
That's empty. No
Yarn
wonder.
doesn't like empty files.
Yarn doesn't like
Just
files.
delete that file then.
Okay.
See, I said we were messing about the other day as well.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm just going to delete that one.
I was planning to write something in it, but I got sidetracked.
Yeah, move to
Like
recycle.
everything in life.
Okay, so now, okay. So we'll see it there if you click on the files. Well, that helps. Let's try it again, shall we?
That'll be too easy.
Don't be too easy.
I'm doing math like you guys already know. And I'll be repairing my, what?
And work.
End work. Maybe it's like a school project.
Ooh.
Does it
Is
need
it a
repair?
school project? Let me try now. This has got to work now. That's the problem. If one of the yarn files has an error, then it messes up all of them.
And like this yarn file is completely unrelated to this quest.
Yeah.
But let's see if it works. Oh, there's no errors at least.
Computation error. Okay. Does he have to go to the thingy before it continues? Yeah. Okay.
But it still doesn't continue.
Let's have a look. Oh. Does it come up with the same error?
Oh, yes.
Yes, it does.
Okay, never mind. There was errors.
No, it didn't.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'm wrong then.
So that one's fine. Oh, wait a second. No, it's not in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 files. There are 9 files here. Currently using the phone. I'm ready to update that.
Shouldn't.
But maybe I need to update it before it's like, I'm happy. You just continue the dialogue and the cam changes back. Okay.
Oh, okay.
I see that. Maybe the yarn file, the main yarn file needs to be recompiled before it's Happy Bunny. We're still learning about using yarn. Nope.
Okay.
Is it still complaining? Not sent to instance or object. Can you tell me which file you had? No, you don't want to?
Maybe we should look at the quest steps or something like that.
Must be related to finishing the dialogue. Yeah, but that's the thing, like, it manages to get to this one. Is there any referring to it? That one's happy. That one's happy. That one's happy. That one's happy. This is fine. Look at the quest steps. Yeah, maybe the quest step handler on the best friend. Okay, let's go to that. Let's go to that. Quest step handler. It's missing an AI brain target, but that's for step 5. Step 1, it's... I guess that's not supposed to be none. Oops. Did we duplicate a thingy earlier on? That's supposed to be the ice cream boat officer's transform.
Yeah, so it says that's the null reference right there.
Here?
That's supposed to be the ice cream officer. Just pull that in.
Okay. On step 5?
Oh, maybe not.
No, that's supposed to be Bob.
Oh, didn't you duplicate Bob earlier?
Shoot. Yeah, I duplicated Bob. Maybe that's what bugged it out.
Oh, and maybe press undo or something, and these are scriptable objects, and they're kind of weird with undos.
Oh, really? Okay, maybe that's the error. Is that maybe it?
Maybe.
Maybe we just gotta try it. Reset. I'm just gonna do that. Cross the fingers.
Should we turn camera on? Because guess what? The little one has fallen asleep.
Don't want to fall asleep. So now we can just...
So, let me take charge. And here we are.
Yeah, we're back again. Okay, let's try this. Let's cross our fingers and hope that that's the case. No. Or did I stop it too early? No, I don't think so. It's still going on object reference. Oh boy, there they are! Oh yeah! Maybe I did something wrong here. I'm not sure what's going on. Whether it's yarn or whether it's something else.
But if that wasn't it...
No, I don't think it was that. Let me have a look at... Officer, did we change anything here? No. That's all fine.
Well, okay, I pulled the commit. I'll play around with it. Z's busy debugging.
I have no idea what's going on.
Oh boy, there they are.
But it seems like it's to do with yarn. I think yarn is having a bit of
And if you look at the Git, there's no changes to that file, is there?
No, there wasn't. So did Henrik here, Henrik is off.
You might need we when he walks.
Oh.
I bet that will work.
Oh.
Step 5, what?
But that's not enabled, but maybe that's creating an error?
Is that supposed to be enabled?
That's not supposed to be there. That's for Henrik.
You are on Henrik right now.
Yes! He's not supposed to be on Henrik.
Oh.
That might be what's bugging it out. Maybe.
Quest marker target. Well,
Yeah, because this was for
the other one. Okay.
yeah, and that was for a quest app. So that might be what the error is. And the dialogue trigger. Is there anything I'm missing here?
Debugging game dev is hard work.
Yep. I'm just gonna. I don't know why it's going on this screen. Hold on. Okay. That's fine. I don't think it's that. Okay. I'm gonna try again and see whether it might be that. I just gotta remember if the quest is
Yeah,
reset.
step 5 is when best friend runs to the nest, isn't it? Yep. So
Yeah.
that is correct, and that's why I don't think that's the broken part.
No. I think it just maybe might be Henrik because I duplicated things. Be careful what you duplicate, children.
Mm.
The power of we. Let's see now. Debugging on the job.
Oh,
I have no idea now. It's probably from duplicating something.
so
My
duplicating
brain
it.
is completely and utterly fried now, so I'll see him Henrik here. Virtual camera, there's nothing here. Have you bugged stuff out here? It's got speaker name, but was it capitalized? I'm pretty sure it wasn't capitalized.
No, that is true. Why breaks that point though? But yeah. Oh,
No, it's capitalized there. Because of the fact that the original one, there is no one. Speaker name, display name. Okay. Quest caption as a starting node. Was it like that?
yes. Yeah, I think you copy pasted
Sure?
that. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. I don't know what it is then.
By the power of we. We need more we's.
I'm gonna have to look at this another time, I think. Because my brain is fried. It's fried.
Is it prior?
No, it's fried. Fried. I'm not seeing. No, it's fine.
Guess what's live now?
Yep. That's what I was
Glitch
gonna
is
put
live.
on.
Should we commit the final change we just done
Yeah,
now?
I think I'll do that now, just so that we've got that all.
And call it attempted fix.
down
Did
to
you
six.
save the scene file?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
Okay, we're doing a final commit. And
Commit your work already.
commit your work already. Yeah, we have a clip for that.
I'm just
Commit
your work already.
Right. So this end of the
Work.
stream went a bit like this.
Work. Yeah, I did. Yeah, and we did manage to fix it. So
Oh.
I dislike when I finish the stream and this bug ain't fixed. I'm like, no.
But good news, everyone. We
I'm just clicking around stuff.
have an announcement for Glitchium.
Yes. So the life of Monsieur Pips.
Yes. So our good friends Jan and team, they have been working on a game.
Called Glitchium.
Yes. And Mr. Pips is featured in there, which we have mentioned in the past, but their demo is out today.
Oh wow, not is it on the screen?
I just double click, move it on to the
There
other
you go.
one. It's like a 20-second
And
clip.
Mr. Pips has an ad in it. Would you know?
Who would have guessed?
Who would have guessed? He's looking for
Oops.
some fruity love. Get your fill at snuti.itch.io. Oh, you saw that thing I posted on Discord? Which what?
Nope, I haven't seen the thing you spoke. Oh yeah. He's talking about this. Yes, I saw that.
Henrik, wake up and run!
Wake up and run! With you full of ice cream. Yes. Let me drop the link in here.
So yes, yeah, because Mr. Pips is having some cross promotion, we are telling everybody about the Glitchion has released their demo today, just about 30 minutes ago, and you can
And it's
try
in
it out
browser
and enjoy it.
playable.
Yeah,
We haven't tried the browser version. We just played the desktop version.
yeah, we've been beta tester in it. I like that.
Yes.
Beta testing it and going with feedback and whatnot. So you guys also go and play it. Go and look for the fruity love of Monsieur Pips.
That's in their advertisement level. So, but yeah, here we go. Did you manage to play to the advertisement level? Yeah.
Yeah, there's one little berry up there. Look up there.
Seen a lost berry? Please return to snuti.itch.io.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you want to experience more Mr. Pips and you haven't already experienced Mr. Pips already, which I think probably everybody on the stream already
And
has
then remember to go on
experienced.
Steam and wishlist their game as
Yes.
well, which is to be announced.
If Mr. Pips is in that, I'll have to. Yes, Mr. Pips is, it's clear as day here. You've got to find all his little missing strawberries. And I really like it. They actually made lots of, footage for us and everything that we can share around and looking for some pretty love. I really do like, there's some really, really good, sound design and everything. And the little error messages that pop up, they're really, really cute. And very nostalgic for anyone who knows the error messages.
There it goes.
And also like Jonas around there in the background.
With his funky expression.
Yes. So, we have dropped a link, so if anybody wants to try it out, test it out, be sure to. And I love the fact that Mr. Pips is actually above my head and I didn't realise he's up here.
Oh, yeah,
He's also
little-
looking for fruity love up there.
The little
So,
Mr. Pips.
Mother Bubs. And we have also some little, I don't know whether we've shown this, but there's some little micro pips.
Oh, camera focus it a bit out. I can.
Can I
We have it on manual pull, so yeah, we can. There we go. Look at that.
These are little mini pips. This is a little beanie Mr. Pips.
Yes,
And Chris has got
the little sailboat
little
from
sailboat
resale.
from resale.
Yes.
And we also have a little blueberry.
Oh.
And this is made by our friend Krishna.
Do I have a link?
I don't know whether you'd have her link or not. And we actually ordered these and they're so
Oh,
adorable.
I totally do have a link.
Look at them. So if you want to have some mini Pip merch, we're gonna drop the link for who you can actually get them from and just request it. She makes the really
Yes.
adorable ones.
If you ask for little mini pips
Pips?
of blueberries, she will know exactly what you mean. She
Yes.
will do custom order. And they were quite cheap as well. I mean, I don't
They
remember
were
exact
affordable.
price.
They were really nice and affordable, and they're really custom. They're custom made, and you'll support a local creator.
Yeah, she's
So-
from Claire's hometown, Cardiff, in Wales.
So yeah. Well, I mean, he was looking for fruity love in Glitchion, so there you go.
Yeah.
Now we can fix the focus. No copter moose, not yet. But we probably will get that.
There we
We
go.
should do that. We should start doing that early. It's just have a little moose.
Yep.
So then we can just have with the copter.
If you can see
There you
here, here she has her little crochet shop.
And she has some really cute. I noticed that she has fruity key rings at the moment.
Don't be scared of prices; they're all Norwegian kroner, so this looks more expensive than it is if you think in euros.
Thank you, Funky Monk,
Hey, come and
for
rating
raiding
us.
Hello, Raiders.
Hey, hope you had a nice stream, Funky Monk.
Yes, we
Welcome to Snuti Stream. Good to have you here.
We have our little mini pips and blueberries. And at the moment, we've been working on an ice cream boat. But we're now promoting Glitchion's demo because they have some awesome little mini pip promotions.
And they are, we would just drop in the link in chat. They are launching their demo at 10 o'clock today, which is 30 minutes ago.
Yes.
And Miss Pips is being cross-promoted in their game.
And if you want to have some little mini pips, there's little mini pips here.
Yes. Hey, you need to show the video clip.
And it's a video clip, yes. Where's VLC? Is it this one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Seen lost strawberries. Report missing pips to snitty.itch.io.
Looking for fruity love? Get your fill at snitty.itch.io.
Or play Glitchion as well.
Yeah,
That's
that's
also,
also.
yeah.
Welcome, all Raiders. It's really nice to have you here. We were actually, going to end the stream.
We were wrapping up.
But our little one is now snoozing, so it might actually be wise for us to just continue. But we
Really?
kind of had a bug. So.
I think Claire ran out of juice.
No, I ran out of juice, but we can continue working with Hen and
But I can pitch our game. See here? We are working on a new game called, well, it doesn't have a name yet, The Ice Cream Boat, which is all about a little, so far it's a moose who's going around crafting little ice creams out of the ingredients he finds in the world. And he should be turning towards the sun. There we go, we need some more sun.
Okay,
on
we
him.
must son. Okay.
And he's gonna fill the world with love and ice cream to everyone who's, needs some way to cool down on the sunny, warm days.
It's very
So-
sunny here. Very sunny.
It's a
very warm.
world full of little archipelagos and everything's placeholder art except for him. This is the only which is not placeholder art.
Yeah. It's the only one
I
who-
love this game already. Yeah.
It's
And
lovely to be here.
those who want to check out the development as it continues along, we are posting and sharing it on our Discord.
Yes.
Yeah, it's gonna
Maybe
be...
we have some funky characters. We have Grandma Agda that is over here somewhere, who is going to have a lovely hat, courtesy of Friar.
Lovely hat.
Lovely hat.
We have some fan art already over on our... Friar has been busy drawing. This is Grandma Agda. The devourer of ice creams. Little ice cream, screaming. And she has a cool, cute hat. So we're going to draw that hat into the game at some point.
And I say, thank you for the follow, Crumb Cake. And that's a lovely follower notification. Oh, thank you, Just Frederick. Hello.
Yeah.
Moose.
So,
And we also have Moose Copter, which actually I think is actually happening right now, most likely.
there's also a game full of quests and like little things going on. So yeah. Yeah, Harry can see, yeah. This...
Yeah, totally. And you see that NPC just like, oh, put a bomb.
It's early days for the game. Early days.
Very early days.
It's a pretty ambitious project as well.
Yeah, I think the only thing that isn't placeholder text, placeholder graphics is this little sailboat in the background and a little moosey moose. I love moosey.
The sailboat is also placeholder, but we made it ourselves. Because it's stolen from other game. Ooh, yes, the sailboat.
We made with Z and Nick. We haven't seen Nick. Where's Nick this morning?
Oh, he's busy snoozing.
Nick, no snoozing.
Or maybe he's having this lovely family breakfast. I like you can
love
run
the fact that-
straight through the rock.
Yeah, I know. And I'm just trying to get to Henrik over here. Who's
Hello,
just like,
Henrik.
Hello, Henrik.
Henrik the snoozer.
Need ice cream.
Oh, I see. There's a quest happening right here.
It's a quest right here. I love how it's like,
You know, he's been there so long, he's almost like drowning in the sand.
oh, this is not good for little Henrik. Yeah, so we haven't even put any like colliders anywhere, so you can just, run through stuff.
Well,
It's a work in progress.
it's okay for the placeholder houses.
I think this has colliders. This
Yep.
oh wow, the tree here has colliders.
And it turns white when you walk up to it, because it's the highlight shader.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
you
I would
looted
take-
it.
Loot it. I don't know what I've got in my inventory. What is
You-
the inventory option? Is it? Oh yeah, I've got 100 strawberry surprises
Ooh.
and 15 strawberries. Which one was the one with blueberries? Was it this one, the blueberries one? No, this is strawberries. We already
Only
have
strawberries. And this one.
Oh, it's
More-
just strawberries. just
They're
more
all strawberries, apparently.
Those are
Really lovely
lovely
graphics.
graphics.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Carrie,
much.
the car cat. I'm glad you enjoyed the graphics.
This is Linda the auntie,
It has potential, right?
Yes, it's still... Oh, there you go. There's one over in the water over there.
Is
And
he trying
yeah.
to jump?
Yeah, he's trying to jump, but the AI isn't exactly clever.
I mean, Z's been very busy programming it to a very wonderful state.
But I mean,
So yeah,
AIs are never very clever.
with 3 people working on this game. Z is also part of the team, and he's pretty good job programming and making all the logic, making a quest system, dialogue system,
Yep.
AI system.
I'm just messing around with my little mini pips.
Yeah.
Mini pips. Mini pips. Mini pips. Mini pips,
But
mini
we have a long way to go.
pips, mini pip, mini pip. I'm enjoying this. And there's a big pick behind us. Over there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
You're talking about that one?
That big pip right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
What about this little pip? Oh.
Oh, Winky. Hello, Winky.
Hello.
I think we might have
We're waking our child as
woken up
well.
the child.
Well, we're supposed to end the stream, aren't we?
Lindsay's face looks a bit odd. Is she okay? She's a little bit scared, Friar, that you might do some fun art of her. And then she's gonna get a hat. So she decided to be enormous. And the ice cream boat officer is over here. Eric. We call him Eric. I didn't realize we called him Eric. He's Eric the pink ice cream boat officer. Just saying. Do we have anybody else we can talk to? We have Grandma and what's this for? Oh, there's Bob over here. It's Bob. We forgot about Bob. Bob's very important. There you go. It's Bob the boat builder. If I go to the office and just have a chin wag, does it work? That part works, I think.
The small parts of the game that do work, because we've been debugging quests for the
At
last...
the moment, Jim, my best friend, is over there, but we'll...
Yo, can we be what? Oh, no, so you just starts that conversation?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, because we haven't made an optional one.
No, we haven't. Please stay here. No open positions. Oh well, Jim, best friend's over there anyway.
Yeah.
I think he starts running off. I think. Let's go home. Oh, I wanted to go home, but he suddenly wants to take me to my auntie's place. Suddenly he's very demanding Jim the best friend. No, I didn't trigger the office one here, so we can't go to our auntie.
There's a lot of null reference exceptions in the console again.
Yeah, I'm not sure why.
Yeah.
How are you both? Not so good, I guess. I'm not sure. I mean, Jim's that's a problem. Oh, making your own quest system is fun times, fun times.
Yeah.
For some reason, Yarn is having its fun time, and I don't know what. I mean,
Whoa, that's a lot of errors.
there's a lot of errors.
Yeah.
Oh no, he has awoken.
Should we raid Mercenary Mage? And then we're gonna go all and play some Glitch on later.
Yeah, important to play Glitch on. Where's the laptop? Is it that one? Oh, you doing that? Oh, I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
That's okay.
We can say... No, not that one.
No,
This one.
This one. Okay. So we're gonna wrap up the stream now. It's been really, really nice having everybody here. We've had an amazing time, and we've managed to make some progress. Admittedly, very little, but we made some.
And thank you for waking up this morning. It's been nice hanging out and chatting and having good conversations, even though our, progress is sporadic at best.
Yes, we have a little one that sometimes wants more attention, and let's live with it.
Say hi to Mike.
Yeah, hi. I'm with my little friends here. Yeah, oh, yeah. I like holding these guys, so I'm gonna hold them throughout the day.
But
did you subscribe, Funky Mac?
no, I came with a raid. But he has been subscribing.
Oh, okay. I got a bit confusing.
Maybe, I don't know when his last subscription was, but it seems to have active subscription still. Well, thank you anyway for staying subscribed to Snuti.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome. And he
I
resubbed.
resubscribed.
It didn't
It
pop
didn't
up.
come up.
Well, thank you so much for
Thank
the
you
resub.
so much for the
And you know what that
resub.
means?
That means treat you. That means treat you. That means treat you. Okay.
It doesn't even come up on the
Yeah,
subs.
that's something weird.
But Twitch says it is, so it is.
I just put up the doggos.
The doggos are coming up.
Moritz, come. Moritz. Right, well, we keep get a treat. Come on, Moritz.
Oh, now it's coming.
We keep get a treat. You did not dog come with me. Come on, over. Dog.
Oh no, there the dog cam went. It's disconnected, Claire.
Oh.
And now our chat is reconnecting. We lost our chat. Is our internet okay? Oh, we raided.
Huh?
We have raided.
Oh, kissed it.
I didn't click anything. It broke out. Well, welcome raiders, it says now. I didn't click anything.
Well, vi såg Hanna.
Well, for those who are still here, anyway, bye. We've had a nice time, and we will see you in the next stream.
Yes.
Bye.
We'll get treats. I'm just not sure where the treat disappeared to.